Hey guys, Clay Roberts here with BTZ Audio Video. We're here on a Dreamedia project. We got a little bit of a treat for you today. So today we're going to be installing this Marantz receiver. It's the 7015, SR7015. It's a very, very good receiver. We're doing a whole focal system. So we have the focal center channel, our focal fronts, left and right, our focal heights in ceiling, and then our rears are going to be focal in walls. So the only one that's not in the wall is going to be the center channel. We're going to be doing that on a 120-inch Screen Innovation screen, 0 edge. LED kit is optional. You can always add an LED kit if you wanted to. So here we got the gem of the room, the Samsung. It's called the Premier. It's a 4K triple laser projector. We are going to be mounting this on the front of the ceiling, about 13 inches away from the wall, hanging from the ceiling. You'll see this when it's done. It's going to be beautiful. Here we have the all-weather 350T episode speakers going outdoors on the patio. We'll be wiring this up later. Also, for the projector itself, we're going to have this strong projector mount. These dials here, it's for a fine adjust. With this short throw projector, this ultra short throw projector, this will come really, really in handy when we calibrate everything. This subwoofer, we have the SB3000 15-inch sub. Plenty of bass for this room. Got the nice metal mesh grill here. Piano finish. It's going to sound really loud in this room. This Marantz 7015? SR7015 is a 11-channel amp. So we can have our heights, our fronts, our sides, our rears, subwoofers, whatever you got, this guy can handle it, you know. Other than that, let's go ahead and show you guys the room. So in this room, this is why we're doing a short throw, because the actual room itself is only about 12 feet wide. You know, minimum you would need about 13 feet. If you're going to hang a projector in the rear of the room, you need about 13 feet on a 120-inch screen, or even a 110-inch screen. You're going to be running about 11.5 to 13 feet. All the equipment is wired over here. We do have 2 Smurf tubes, one going to the projector and one going to the front of the room. Or sorry, to the television. This room was wired for a TV, but we're not going to do that. So we will have to move electrical from here to here, and then run our HDMI from our equipment over there to the front of the room, also to the projector. And we're going to mount it here. Screen's going to go here, and it's going to produce a 120-inch image about 12 inches off the wall. It's going to be fabulous. It's going to be fabulous. But other than that, we'll go ahead and get started. You guys don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, please. And we'll give you the finish out video here in a little bit. Thank you. All right, guys, quick update. We got the short throw Samsung Premier in. It's called the Premier triple laser projector. You can see up there we got the fine adjust. We're just doing this for testing purposes right now. You can see the image on the wall. This is about 129 image screen image. We are 7 inches off the wall, so it does have the capability to shrink to a 120-inch screen. That gives us more room to shift because of the way they built the door in here. Also, you can see where they wired the front 2 speakers. The fronts, they'll be behind the doors. So what we're going to do here, studs are on this, so both speakers go out. We're going to go ahead and drill through this stud, and we're going to place our speakers center of the screen, closer in to the screen. Next up, we're going to do this in ceilings here. You can see I got one plate off here. There's another one on that side. And the surround backs we actually have already installed. We moved them down to ear level. Sound is better at ear level, so we don't want the speakers up here blasting sound upwards. We want it closest to ear level as possible. Just a quick update. We're going to go ahead and continue. And we'll cut you back in here in a little bit. Finish out this job here in Frisco, Texas. As you can see, we have our ultra short throw. It's called the Premier Samsung projector. It's a triple laser projector, ultra short throw. So this projector, from the front of it, it's sitting 7 inches off of the wall. The lens is about 19 total off of the wall, and this is projecting on a 120-inch screen innovation screen, 0-edge screen. This screen has the capability to add LED lights later on if you wanted to. We also have power already wired back here. You can see how bright it is. It's triple laser, of course. Very, very good screen also, screen innovations. You can see our 100 series focals, our LCR 100 series focals for our front, left, and rights. Magnetic grills. So very nice drivers, things like that. Very good tweeter in the middle. Magnetic grill, focal at the bottom there. So coming around to our center channel right here. Focal center channel. You see these drivers here. Nice, 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 nice. Good little magnetic covers here. We'll put those on in a second. They're magnetic.
They rotate around and have magnets that line up on there.
We got our SB3000 subwoofer here. SVE. 15-inch sub, piano finish. Very nice sub, very loud sub. Back here we have our focal in-ceiling 6-inch speakers, ICs, always circle. It's going to be our in-ceilings for our tops. And then they also magnetic grills. And then for our surround backs, we have our 6-inch in wall rectangle. Always IW is going to be rectangle in the wall for our surround backs. Also magnetic grills. This is an entire focal system. 2, 4, 6, 7 speakers, 0.1 subwoofer. So 7-channel, 0.1 subwoofer. Here's our Marantz installed nice and good. 7015. What is it? SR 7015 Marantz. We also wanted everything to be on a surge protector, so we went ahead and got them this watt box 300 IP controlled. So our projector actually plugs directly into this guy, so it should be safe from lightning and things like that. Our receiver's on this side, and then we have our bottom plug for our Harmony Remote 950 here. Today we won't be setting the Harmony up. There's no network at this house today. But all in all, this room came out fantastic. As you can see, I'm walking well towards the front of the room, and there's no shadow. I'm not blocking the image. If you were sitting in this room and you decided to get up and go get popcorn, whatever, you do not have to worry about blocking the image from everybody else here. That's what these guys are good for, and it's very, very clean and flush to the ceiling, front of the room, hardly noticeable, as opposed to a giant projector on the rear of the room where this is wired, and the bottom of the projector would at least have to drop down to here to get a good image. And this room is only 12 feet, so you need about 11.5, 13 feet to project a 120-inch screen. But other than that, guys, we're good to go. If you would, please like, subscribe, and share the heck out of this video. Other than that, you guys have a great day.